Today I'm showing you a simple glam look, starting off with some concealer on the eye, patting that in with a beauty blender, putting a little translucent powder on both eyes to make for even coverage. Now going in with a nude eyeshadow shade, the same as my flushed color, to really just cover any flaws. And then I'm going to go in with a really bold, bright orangish red here, go around my whole eye, really setting in that pigment and going through and kind of just letting it lighten up as it goes towards the center. And then I'm going to do the same thing in the bottom and go all the way from inner corner to outer corner. And then go in like I'm almost going to head up towards the crease line so I can really get that color going in. Now going in with a clean bristle brush here just to clean up the line, make it a little more smudgy. And now I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Just patting in that pigment, pushing in the color rather than smudging it around. Doing the same to the under eye, really getting a bold pop from corner to corner. Next I'm going in with some cleanup duty here and then a little bit of white eyeliner. This will really make the red eyes not make my eye look red or pink at all. Just helps make it look more bold and open. And then it's going to be some black eyeliner, very thin to start with the corners, and then kind of going through and gradually getting a little thicker towards the wing. Going to do that same thing on the other side, clean up anything along the way, just really going for a very clean and polished eyeliner. And now I'm going in to thicken the liner towards the outer edge, kind of starting to create the gradual line to connect to the wing. Just going for as smooth and as polished as possible, sliding in nice slow movements. Now I'm going to pull the skin a little tight just to kind of get a sharp line and then go and make it bolder and thicker after I've got the exact desired outcome of length in that wing I'm looking for. Going in again on the other side, making it bolder later. Then I'm going to throw on a couple gems in the corner of my eyes using eyelash glue. These are the same glue I would put on the eyelashes with. I like to use to put in gems and other crystals on my face. Now I'm going in with a sparkle liner. This is very translucent but has a lot of sparkle, so I do have to go over a few times. I'm going to add that to above the wing from the corner to about where the orange starts to meet, and then do it on that same on the other side. Sometimes that glitter isn't as precise as I'd like and it gets on the line, but while it's still wet you can move it pretty easily. And then kind of go through and make it bold again with a little bit of a liner. Kind of just making that thicker as it dries and then cleaning up that spot. See, very easy to clean up there. Now I'm just going in adding a little more of that color pop, just getting in because it's kind of faded out a little in that section where I kind of blended that liquid liner, and then just going in cleaning up any imperfections that may have fall down. Applying a little bit of mascara to both sides of the eyelash. This way you're getting a nice stick when you apply that eyelash, using the false glue lashes, going in, continuing, just pressing it down really slow. I'm going to do a full video on this shortly, so stay tuned. But this definitely takes practice. Now I'm going in with a little bit of a mist. I use Fix Plus by MAC, any kind of setting spray here, and then using a fan quickly to kind of just get that dried on, really set the powders. Adding a little pop to those bottom lashes with some mascara, going in to get those small details there. And then I like to pinch my eyelashes together with a tool with my false lashes and my real ones after applying the mascara, just to get it nice and even. A little bit of brow liner. This is just a brow set here, and then I'm going to go straight in for the lips. doing a quick nude fleshy liner, nothing really overlining because I am going to put a gloss on and I don't like to overline my lips when I wear just a gloss top. And then I'm going to continue on to the bottom, just really getting a full coverage line, but again, not really overlining or dramatic anything, just a real simple. I like to smudge it down with a clean Q-tip just to really get that smudged, sexy, puffy lip, and then that shiny lip gloss. Go in, you can never add too many layers, just go in as you need with that, and of course keep that handy to reapply throughout the night. Going on, we will show you the finished product. There you go, a close-up of the look we all created together. Up close, you can see everything, and thank you so much for watching.